corner. I'm not sure how to do. Oh no! Ooh. Well, folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at Gallipo Center in Smiths Falls, Ontario. We're going to go out for the A-MAIN races of November 3rd, 2024. It's going to be a TTGT A-MAIN. Still running the TT-02, Tamiya TT-02 chassis with the McLaren Senna body. And the change in the rules for this year is you have to run the gray wheels with belted USGT tire. So you're no longer allowed to run the unbelted USGT tire in TTGT anymore. So that is really the only change I've made to this car. I'm still on all the same electronics. My motor's 3 years old. My servo is even much older than that. I'm still on the bumpy bottom type batteries, and I've got a 1060 in here because I blew up my Tamiya speed control last year. So that's my TT-02 for TTGT. I qualified TQ, first P1. So I get to start first position in the A-MAIN. Here we go. Coming up next, TTGT A-MAIN. All right, here we go. TTGT A-MAIN. I'm starting in pole position P1. It's mine to lose. Let's see if we can hold on to this win.
Brandon, Fred, Adam.
Alright, got to make my flying lap.
I know I'm in the same car as you, Mark. Okay. Yep. Okay, I'm on the straightaway.
Okay, line up on the straightaway. And waiting for... This is a couple marshals. Oh, Dan's coming, okay.
TTGT A-MAIN.
Okay, we're good?
Yep.
On the tone, everybody be starting.
Oh, I'm supposed to be third, am I not?
Sorry?
Am I not supposed to be third?
Lineup. What's the lineup?
The lineup was John, Brad, Dean,
Yeah.
Brandon, Fred, Adam. Okay, on the tone, everybody will start. 5 seconds or so.
Whoa. All right, first lap clean.
Running order still. John, Brad, Dean, Adam's up to 4th, Brandon's 5th, Fred's 6th.
So I lose all my time is that back corner. I'm not sure how to do. Oh no! Ooh. I did that better that time. Brad's breathing down on me.
Dean's just trying to wear out Brad's back bumper.
I love pressure. I love it. I love being chased.
Well, I got to talking and screwed up. That got me some breathing room.
The top drivers are John taking first place with a 28-lap 503.6 pace, followed by Brad in second place with a 27-lap 501.9 pace, followed by Dean in third place with a 27-lap 502.6 pace, followed by Adam Strong in fourth place with a 27-lap 509.3 pace, followed by place with a 26 lap 5.3 pace, followed by Fred in 6th place with a 25 lap 5.11.5 pace.
Oh, Mountain King never tried.
Running order now is John, Dean, Brad, Adam, Brandon, Brett. Fast laps, John 10.4, Dean 10.1.
Ooh, Dean's got a faster lap than me.
Adam 10.6, Brandon 10.5, and Fred 10.5. Talk about close field.
Spec racing.
After 3 minutes 16 seconds, the top drivers are John Kay in first place with a 28 lap 5.1.3 pace, followed by Dean in 7th place with a 28 lap 5.9.5 pace, followed by Brett in 3rd place with a 27 lap 5.4.5 pace, followed by Adam Swan in 4th place with a 27 lap 5.6.7 pace, followed by Brandon Child in 5th place with a 27 lap 5.9.6 pace, followed by Fred in 6th place with a 25 lap 5.11.2 pace.
Oh, I'm sorry.
The top drivers are John Kay in first place with a 28 lap 5.4 pace, followed by Dean in 7th place with a 28 lap 5.8.5 pace, followed by Brad in 3rd place with a 27 lap.
I didn't stop because I'm lapping, but maybe should have.
Place with a 27 lap 5.5 pace, followed by Fred in 5th place with a 25 lap 5.2.1 pace, followed by Brandon Child in 6th place with a 19 lap 3.6.5 pace.
All right, we did it. Oh, Brad and Dean put a lot of pressure on me through that. Look at the final, and everybody's done. Everybody's done. Yeah, good racing. All right.
Good race going.
A-Main done.
Yeah, we did.
I got nose in there.
Yeah,
That's
man.
what I thought. You kind of lost control there.
Yeah, I got nose in
You guys were stalking me pretty good there for the first half of that race.
That was good.
I'd rather be.
All right, guys, that was the TTGT A-Main, and I won it. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you're new here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.
Way to work.
Thank you.